Hello friends, welcome back to Aryan's World of Study and Gaming. I am Aryan Sinha. So friends, today I will teach you how to create an animation in Scratch, the solar system animation, all the 8 planets. But friends, in one video I can show all the 8 planets. So friends, today I will show you the coding of the animation of first 4 planets. Okay? It how it will rotate. Okay, it's gonna be awesome. And before starting this video, click on the notification bell. Okay, so now let's start. So friends, in the animation we don't need the default sprite cat, so we will obviously delete it. So friends, now we will go to the backdrops. Okay, then we will convert to bitmap, so that the color will be black, as the solar system color is black. Okay, we will go here, then we will do it to dark, then actually we will do it this black colorful. Okay, now you can see the whole screen is black, right? So friends, now we want the main sprite that controls the earth, the every planet, that is sun. So friends, we will go to the paint option. So then friends, we will create the sprite. Okay, not in the backdrop. So if we create in the backdrop, we will not be able to change the size. In sprite we can. So friends, the sun's color is yellow. Yes, this kind of yellow. Yes. Okay friends, now I will quickly make this thick ball of fire. Actually, you know what, I will not change the size here, because obviously I can go here and change the size. Okay, then I will again go back to the coding. There is nothing to do in the sun. Okay, actually the sun is important because it controls everything, but in scratch not. Okay, so friends, we will simply go here. When green flag click, we want it to show. Okay, okay, done. So friends, now the sun's coding is done. Very small coding. Okay, the codes are not over yet, and the fun part begins now. First we will go to the sprite library, and then we will choose a new sprite. That will be, actually friends, earth is the only sprite that exists. Okay, see, earth is there. Actually earth is way bigger than sun, so we will decrease it to maybe 25. Maybe, yes. Now it's looking perfect. So friends, first actually we will not make Earth's coding. First we will do the Mercury. So friends, now I will make the orbit type ring that in which the planets rotate. I will make that as a sprite. Then it will be much easier. I can change the size. Obviously I will go to the vector mode, and maybe I think yellow color will be best option. I will go to outline option. See, see friends, actually the Mercury's orbit is very small, so we will decrease it very close to sun. Yes, little bit here, and then friends, if you want, you can change the size again, and here it's looking perfect. So friends, this is a sprite. Actually we don't need any coding in this. It will be just for the planets. Okay, it's very important too. So friends, in the sprite library, Mercury does not exist. That's why we will go to the paint option again, and this time we will change the color to maybe gray. So we will go here. Yes, let's create the Mercury. Mercury is almost size of sun. Don't worry. We will change the size to, it is the smallest planet. That's why we have to change it very small. Okay. Okay. Then I will do something else. Okay. There are some spots on Mercury. So we will go here. We will make something ball type shape dark gray. And friends, if you want, you can add more of these, but I will add some. Okay, now done. Now it's really looking Mercury. So friends, now we will change the size, then we will start with our real coding. See, actually Mercury should be maybe size of 30 because it's very small than the orbit too. Okay, maybe this I think 35. Yes, 35 will be much better option. Yes, now it's looking perfect. So friends, at the starting point, we will go to the, now we will start the coding. So we will bring one green flag, click. This is the main thing. Then we will go to the motions. Then first we want it to start from this point. Okay, x19, y negative 63. Okay. So friends, then we will go here. We will pick up forever loop. Then we will pick up if then. Okay. Then we will go to the sensing. We will bring touch color. Actually, we have an option. Okay. Now here, if we touch the color yellow, now it's really happening. So friends, now first what we wanted to do is to really make it orbit. So we will go here, make it go here. So friends, then we want it to go it to there. Actually, I can make it spawn there, but maybe I'm just testing, keeping it here. I will just test it. Actually, I will keep it from here, any random position. I will keep here. See. So friends, now first we will keep this thing here, and then we will keep the 90x19y negative 63. Mercury's orbit is very fast, so we will keep it to 0.5. It's fast. It's very fast. Then we will go here. Then again we will go to the controls. Again 0.5. We have to build a tower until it completes one orbit. Okay. Now again we want it to go here. Okay, maybe here. Yes. Okay, now we will again go to the motion. So friends, this animation is very easy. Just you have to remember the codes, and this animation is very easy. Okay, Scratch is very fun. Okay, now friends, we want it to go maybe here. Yes, it's perfect. Then it will go here. Again we will go to the motions, then here. Actually friends, it will take little bit of time, but trust me or not, it will happen and it will be very beautiful animation. Then we will go here, we will keep it here. Yes, at the top of the sun. Then we will again go back to the motions. Actually friends, in this scratch, the in this animation, the main things are the forever loop, if then, and this main big coding. So I will go to the controls. Actually we will change it to 0.5, not 0.5. Oops. So I want to keep it maybe here. Okay, it's looking good. Then we will pick this thing again, the motion block. Then we will go here. Actually it can build a lot of things, a lot of it will create a tower of it. So friends, the orbit of Mars will be longest, but the long the coding will be the longest in Mars, maybe because it's the longest. Then it will again go back there. We will select x107 y6. Then again go back here. So friends, now we have full tower, but remember the thing is not over yet. It's very close to 19. So next we will keep in a position. Okay, if you want, you can change anything. You can increase or decrease the spread. So friends, then we will again go back to the motions, bring this thing again, the block. Then we will go down as we have place, you can, if you want, you can go up there back. Then again, then we will go to the controls. Seriously, it takes lot of time. Now again we wanted to go to here. Okay, then it will go to its original position automatically. Yay! X37. Then again wait for 1 second. If we not give the forever loop, it will not rotate for infinitely, but it will do rotate for one time. Then again, as this code ends, again this thing will start. I will show you. See, wait a minute. What's happening? Why it is not going? Yes, it's now going. Oh, actually, oh, wait a minute. I think I have done a mistake here. Actually, I have to keep zero point 0.5 now. Again, let's start. See, the orbit of Mercury is so fast, it's really looking like it's orbiting around the sun, but actually the code is helping it to move. Okay. So friends, here is the animation. Now, what is the original place of Mercury? Please stop Mr. Mercury. For some time, I will change it to 10 seconds because I want to note the position. Okay, now you can change it to 05. Now, I will again change it to 05 because I want every planet to start this thing. Okay, the sun first, then Mercury, then below Venus, then Earth, then Mars. Okay, it's not complicated. Now we have to create Earth because the script for Mercury is done. Actually, friends, Earth is the only planet sprite that exists in Scratch. I hope in the 4.0 version they will add some new sprites. The Earth sprite is like twice the sun or like bigger. I will change it to 25. Yes. Actually, Earth is little bit bigger than Mercury, so we will change it now. It's looking perfect. So, Mr. Earth, stay in that corner until we create another sprite for the orbit, okay? I want the orbit to be in front of it. Then again, as always, like previous one, we will create the orbit. Now, the orbit of Venus shouldn't be, I think, you guys, if you want, you can change the color. Um, maybe, yes, this color is looking perfect for it. What? Oh, actually, sorry, I have done a mistake. Nothing will happen, no worries. I will try it one more time. I am clicking. Oh, actually, I feel that. No, I have to go to the circle mode, outline. Then again, I will create the ring of fire. Actually, bigger. Then, no worries, no worries. Okay, now we will right here a little bit. I will go here and change the sprite size to maybe 90. Yes. Wait a minute, Mister. Where is this position? His position is here. Here. Wait a minute. Hey, wait. Oh, actually, I made the Mercury too fast. So I should not. I have mistake. I shouldn't give the Mercury this much speed that it will annoy me. Wait a minute, we will store the Earth sprite for later on. Okay, no coding in here. Okay, first we have to create the coding for Venus. Okay, we have to go here again to the costumes. To set it, we will go here in the select mode. Thank you. Select it. Oh, we can do it in the vector mode. Yes, we can do. We will increase the size. Not much because Mars and Earth have to also come. Maybe here. I want the orbit orbits of Mercury and Venus to be little bit closer to each other. So it can even touch it. So I will change it to again 30. Yes, now it's looking good and perfect. Now next we will have to I don't want to delete it because it can be handy in emergency. Then I don't wait there for some time. See friends, how many things. So friends, actually in this thing we don't need the vector mode. Actually Venus is almost the same size of Earth, but actually it's smaller than Earth. Little bit smaller. Actually I want to keep it little bit dark. Yes, this color is looking perfect. Now, Venus, you can increase your size. Hey, see, Venus, it's size, almost the size of Sun, but actually it's redder. Actually, Venus size is so big that even if I do it, let's see the size. No, it should be smaller. That's why we will change it to 45, maybe 45. Now what? Now, okay, but I think we have to do more smaller to maybe 40. um Again I want to keep the same size of 35. Yes, now it's looking perfect. So friends, actually in the solar system all the planets rotate in clockwise, but Venus rotates in anti-clockwise. Means Mercury moves like this, Venus should move like this. Okay. So the respawn point, actually it's touching Mercury. Actually I don't want it to touch. I want a little bit space between both of them. So again the tower. Friends, actually looking this it's very easy, but in reality it's very hard. Not hard. I'm telling that lot of coding. Where I'm going, I have to go to the sensei. I will go to select mode. Orange color. Thank you. Now we will put it here. Now that this respawn anchor means where it will respawn will be this position, just behind Mercury, but it's very rare chances to see Mercury and Venus at this position because they both at different speeds. Mercury will be 0.5 seconds and Venus will be 1.5 seconds. Okay, slower than Earth. Then, as I told you, it will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So that's why then we will go here. Actually, it will be much slower. Okay, Venus 1 day equals to 117 Earth days. Okay, then we want to go to here. Okay, Venus is almost blended with the orbit ring. Okay, we will keep this block again the tower thing, but friends don't worry, after the inner planets it will be completed. It will look so beautiful, you all will like it, I'm giving you guarantee. Now we will again go here, this point again. So we will again bring this thing again here again. I mean, why it would be nice if so friends, I it would be nice if actually we can keep here 1.5. It will stay here naturally because you have to change a lot of things. Okay, friends, but I want to tell you something about the outer planets. The Neptune is the slowest planet. That's why it will take lot of time, 60 seconds. Okay, not joking. So friends, 166. Okay. Now again we want to go it to here, then in the next turn it will go at the top. 106, very close to it actually. I should go. The main blocks are the sensing blocks, the forever block, if then block, and always the when green flag click, and the tower blocks. Then again we have to go it to here, maybe here. Okay, not bad. Actually, Venus should take a lot of time and taking these small steps because Venus is really slower than any other planet except the outer planets. So now it should go at the top. There are rare chances that Mercury and Venus can meet here at the top. Then we will bring the thing. It's very easy though. Looking it's hard, but actually it's easy. Friends, you can do it at anywhere you want. You can simply go to the any browser and create your account in scratch.mit.edu, or you can simply download it. Okay. Now we wanted to go to here, then again here, then here, then here again. Then it will take lot of time for it, but it will be amazing to start this. But actually, I don't want to start it now because I want all the planets to spin together because the Mercury will be very irritating. It always goes fastly. That's why. Okay, now we will go to the controls. So friends, now if you are watching this video, now if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, I am creating this so many sprites. Okay, now it has been in this position. Now we will go place it here. It's very easy, it's automatic. Okay, but sun it's not automatic, it will stay there. Okay, although in reality sun has its own orbit, small one, in which it rotates, but in scratch we don't want it because sun's orbit will be very small and it will take lot of space. Okay, okay, now again to here this position. Yeah, yes, I am little bit getting confused because in Venus there will be much codings than any other planet. But actually Mars and Venus will have a tie in it. Mars will have 2 seconds. So what was I am going to do? Yes, I was going to pick this thing. Actually, I don't want to place the blocks in wrong position because then it's very long script that I will get confused. Then again, as I told you, I will bring this thing here. Actually, friends, in the previous video, maybe in that video, I told you we can change the language. If you want, you can change it to French and you have many options if you are a French person. Okay, that thing is over the talking. If any French person is listening, okay, he can turn the subtitles or he can simply go here and change it to French. Okay, then here the respawn point is very close. The respawn point is I will go here 15 18 not 15, sorry. Oops. So friends, actually we will get confused in this because there are so many codings, but friends you can create it on. It's not always important to follow like me, but you have to follow the structure this thing. Okay, now again, now it should go. Actually it has reached here. Yes, 2020. Now as I told you, the respawn anchor is, friends, actually I have to show you. I'm sorry. Venus is waiting little bit because it's very slow. Earth also we have to decrease it little bit because its orbit will be very big. So friends, see a red spot. They meet at this position. Here. Now you both can stop, my friends. Now stop. Mercury, I am seriously getting irritated at you. You are so fast. I should not have given you this much fastness. Now it's looking perfect. Now I can again change you to negative. No, not 0.5. What in the world? I have changed it to 50. Sorry. Whoops. I should say whoops. So what next now? Okay, I have to create another orbit of Earth. I should not have added Earth. Sorry, it's my mother planet, I know, but again, I think the planet's ring should be little bit here blurred, not purple, no, between here. Okay, this thing is looking perfect. The Earth's orbit should be bigger than any other orbit except Mars. I want the orbits to be then again Mars. There is actually a lot of place for Mars. I will keep the Mars planet very big. You know what? Although I have this much space, I will create it much bigger from the upwards too. Then here sometimes in the side. Then again here we don't. Okay. Little bit here. Okay. Now it's looking perfect. So Earth's ring is very big, then Mars will have little bit of problem. So I will decrease little bit. Okay. Oh, it's very close. Now it's looking perfect. Mars will not have any problem and it will be added. So friends, again that irritating thing. Friends, now we have to again start the coding. Sprite 6, you can go and sit here, and Earth you can come. Welcome. Earth, sorry, but your size has to be decreased to 39. Is your size even changing? Yes, it's 2. Okay, the size for always 35 because now I will keep it here. Yes. Now it's looking perfect. Now we will go here. When green flag clicked, again control forever loop. If then, not if then else, sorry. Now sensing again, touching color actually not colored green. We will go this color. Yes. The respawn point where it will always start will be this thing. Earth's code will be very big, okay? Motion. Earth will have 1 second, okay? Not fast as Mercury, not slow as Venus. Okay, wait 1 second. My God, here it's permanent 1 second, so we will not have any problem in changing it. But in Mars we have, because in Mars I will keep 2 seconds, not 2.5. It will be too much. Okay. Actually, in Neptune I will keep very slow. Okay. Forget these things. So Earth will go like this. It's very rare to see these three planets will meet in this corner. Okay, while rotating, it's very less chances. Okay, now I will go to here again. This thing, welcome. In Earth, we will not have much things to do. We can just go here and wait 1 second. Come here, bro. Then we want to go it here, almost near to this central point. Here, yes. I will go again to the motions. Then go here. Wait 1 second again as always. We will go here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Earth's coding will be done in few minutes because we actually it has permanent wait 1 second, so I don't need to change it like Venus or Mercury. Now it has to go to -127. Actually, I'm feeling very good because this animation it will help you lot of things. You can create your own movie in scratch. Then we will go here. Then it's very near to the top. Okay, then not in variable, sorry. Actually, variables operators, my blocks are no use actually, sounds too. Looks also no use in this project. Now it has to go to here at the top. Actually, it has much more chances to have these three planets in this thing, but Mars will be more rare as it's smaller. Friends, I will later change Mercury's size because it's almost like size of Venus. Like, I will change it to its size to little bit bigger, almost bigger. Okay, but almost equal size, not bigger than Earth, but it will be definitely bigger than Mars and Mercury. Maybe, yes, yes. Again, wait 1 second. Friends, actually, after this, I don't want to show the things because Mercury is really irritating, okay? It goes so fastly. Go here directly. Earth will have little bit bigger jumps, but not fast jumps like Mercury. So, okay, the tower will be bigger and in it will be bigger than Venus, but Mars should be even bigger. Then now it has to go at this point again here. Okay, now okay. Hey, grab this thing. Okay, we have so many sprites, so many codes. Please hit the thumbs up button. I'm doing this much work on this animation. I should deserve it. Don't you think, guys? Now I was silent for a little bit because I was feeling something else. I was saying like it's already night. Okay. Then here. Oh, it's really near to its respawn place. Almost done. What is its respawn place? 113. Very close to it. Next jump it will go to here and then it will go to its main place. Yes. Now in this coding we need lots of calculations because it's a solar system. Very complicated. Now in the next it will go to its respawn anchor. Respawn point. Why I'm saying respawn anchor I don't know. Sorry. Then again it will go there. Now friends, I told you that I will not show but I want to see once. See, Mars is going in the other direction. See Earth and they are almost close. I will click on green flag. Oh no. Stop. I clicked much fast now. Next is Smart's turn. First, I don't want to create the sprite. It will take unnecessary place before creating the orbit. We will go here, bitmap, always. Actually, I want Mars orbit to be red because it will look like. Okay, I want it to be so much big now. I want it to be much bigger than any orbit. Why I am doing this? Because now I have done it so. No. I have to. Okay. Now we have to go to the vector mode. Select. Yes. Now it's much bigger inside here middle. Okay. Actually, I can keep. Yes. I have to keep here because I don't want the Mars planet to go out. I will decrease it little bit. Okay, now it has very rare chances to actually go there. Meet all the planets. Actually, Sprite 5 Venus, you have to be little bit bigger. Okay. Now you should be bigger. Now it's actually, you know what? Actually, I will keep 30. Now it's looking perfect. So now I will go to here. Now I will create my sprite again. There are so many sprites. See, it will be very crazy in the next part, all the planets. But in the next part, I have to choose another backdrop because it will not fit here. Only Jupiter will be able to fit, but it will be very hard time to doing that. Jupiter is very slow. Anyways, we will do it in vector mode. I will keep the color red. Actually, Mars has red sand, although it's looking orange. Venus, sir, you have to be little bit. Yes, now Venus, you should be smaller than Earth, but little bit bigger than 42. Okay, now I think 44, maybe 44. Now all the planets will start here. Mars should be 2 seconds. Okay, so that Mars will wait for a little bit. Okay, again the main code start. Forever loop, come here. If then, why I'm saying if then else, because it's right here. Sensing, we'll bring this thing again. We'll select color red. Actually, it's dark red little bit. Venus color is actually blending with it, so I will go to the costumes. Now I will create dark red spots on it. So I will create this, or here I will slightly go here. I will actually, it's not even looking, so I will have to change the color to orange. Not, yes, this kind of orange is actually, I will redo. I can change the size here. You know what, more bigger. I can do that thing the whole time. Mars is actually not looking good at this costume, but friends, now if you want you can color anything, because I'm doing this because it's blending with the color red. Okay, you know what, actually I don't like this. I did a bad job in it. It's looking so ugly. I'll do it. Redo. Actually, Venus also color is blending with it, so I will have no problem. I have wasted my time in it. Now I can start. The respawn point will be this 16 x16 y negative 168. Now again the changing begins. I hope in 2.4.0 it should happen. Then Mars thing is going to be very big. Then again here, I am actually very excited to see when the solar system will be ready. Okay, but Mercury will be the fastest, isn't it? I am very excited to see all the planets moving at the all the time. They are actually not minding each other. They are just following the script. Then again go here. Earth's maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe its old position was good. Then we want it to go to negative 142. Then here I will be silent for a little bit because in talking I am losing my concentration. Okay, it's very late here. I will be silent for a little bit. So friends, now if you want you can directly make it. It's not a easy task, not an easy task, but trust me or not, it is very easy. Now it has reached the biggest orbit of its. It has completed 90 degrees orbit. Now next 180 and then 360 completed. Okay. Now again here it will be very big headache for Mars because it will have the greatest of the coatings bigger than Earth to its surrounding it. Then I will draw the asteroid belt. Behind it, it will be Jupiter. Then I want it to go at this position. Okay, looking good. Actually, I like this very much. Seriously, bro, there should be option in 2.0 or there should be an update in 3.0 that we can customize it. Seriously, wait a minute. Wait a minute, something suspicious. No, nothing. Okay. Why then it's okay, nothing. I was just little bit confused. Now again it has to go at this position. Now Mars is almost going to complete its first 180 degrees, then again 190, then negative 180 and 360 will be completed. Okay, the tower, see, it's so much and it has only completed only half of its orbit and many are things to go. Seriously, friends, I want this video maybe 100 likes. Why I brought this? First I have to go to here. Please, I want this video 100 likes. Minimum 100 likes, please. If that record happens, I will make a movie on Scratch, okay? It will be very big though. It will be like 1 hour. So actually, short film. Please go here up. Now again the headache begins. Go here, Mars. Imagine if Earth and Mars could meet, or all the four planets meet at an angle. Why I'm not picking this? Again, I'll change it to 2, and then um, I will change it to 2. Then I will here, then in next point it's going to complete its 90 degrees. It's almost done. So friends, while speaking I'm not telling this thing but if I tell it we will be still stuck on. No. Why I clicked that? Why I clicked that? No. Start. I wanted to go at that position. Friends, I forgot it. Sorry, I keep on it. Mars. Please, my friend, go up back there. 220. Okay, that is the. Hey, stop, my friend. I will have to do something. I will change it to last A, Mars. Um, really, it's slow. It's slower than Venus though because it's far away. Please, Mars, my friend, go to 220. 220. When it reaches to 220, I'm going to stop. Okay. All the planets are in a random position. I don't care. Then again when we start, then again it will spawn there. No problem. No problem. Then 220 now it's going here. Earth, you can move little bit. Please Earth. Okay, I don't want to disturb Earth because but if you see Mars and Venus are actually very almost same size but they are not. Venus is little big. Venus should be little bit bigger. I'm not changing it to size. Okay, now I want it to go 2, 3, 4 controls. It's almost done, my friends. After this happens, everything happens, it's all done. I will show you. And friends, now if you want to see the ending, you can directly forward the video. Okay. No, why I am bringing this thing? No, almost done. Why I am doing these mistakes? Bring this thing. I'm getting anger. See, the tower is so big in Mars, bigger than Earth too. Then here. Okay, where is that position? Here. Wait a minute. Why I'm doing this thing? I have lost my mind. Maybe my brain is actually so excited. That's why I'm getting that humiliation. Okay, so excited feeling. That's why I'm forgetting it. What's the respawn point of it? Its radius. Go up 16,168. It's very far though. Then again, go to happens. Actually, bring this thing. Control Aryan, don't get angered. Sorry, friends. Then the last and final turn. Then it will again happen one more time. Not bad. I'll be paused for 1 minute. Hey, don't get in my way. So friends, now the coding is over, everything is over. But friends, now if you want to see the maximize, it's because of the bitmap, it's looking like this. But in the normal, it's looking perfect. So now let's see. Yeah, it's really looking like the solar system. Earth and Venus have passed. As been in the starting, Venus have went. Mars will take 100 Brazilian years to complete its first orbit. Yes, actually, yes, they both have passed. It will be very rare though to find the first these four planets to be in just one angle behind the sun. You are seeing this thing? Really? So friends, one more step is left that so for that we will go to the backdrops. Then actually I don't want to do that step. That extra step you can simply go here and create white dots and create an asteroid belt. Okay, now I want to really create it. That's why I am creating it. Okay, in vector mode, can we do it? Yes, we can. That's very good. But I am little bit confused. Where should it start from? Because it should be directly here. I have to do little bit calculations. Lot of calculations. Lot of calculation. Go there, my man. So where should be? Venus is here. So it should be here. Okay. I Sun stars, asteroid belt. Now I don't want the stars to be isolated at one place. I'm placing at them at random position. As you can see, all the comets and asteroids are really close to Mars. That's why from Mars you will see most of them. Oh, hey, oh sorry. Now, little bit. No. It should go a little bit here now. Now. Actually, I added this. If you want, you can add this too. It's very easy. This was the extra part. In the next video, I will create another backdrop in which we will create the outer planets. Jupiter will be seriously headache to stop because it will be very big in size. Actually, 10 or 20, 100, my 1000 Jupiters equals one sun. Actually, not 1000, 100 Jupiters, so it should be smaller and at the same time. Yes, done. I'll just create some extra few, making sure it's surrounded all by the stars because it's actually surrounded by it. Don't worry, this will happen fast. I will keep you in the middle. Now you can all see the almost there. Some blanks left. Some they are here, and here. Actually, there are some stars which are collide to each other. That's why I'm found that. Now the final result you all want to see. If you want to see, let's see. I actually want to see the full orbit. Okay, that's why I'm show this. Mars will take lot of years. Mercury, Earth and Venus are just doing them in little bit of seconds. I think I should have done it Mars to 1.10 or 1.50 maybe, but it will be still 1.5. That's why. Yes, these three planets have completed 6 to 10 orbits, and this Mars. Okay, I will. Hey, why can you stop? Okay, friends, this was today's video. See all the things, all we have done. In the next video, we will meet again with the outer planets. For then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected. Goodbye.